Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following limit. Find the limit of 1 divided by x as x is approaching to 0 from the positive side. Step number 1, if you think about this one-sided limit, you're basically picking a number to the right of 0. For example, you can think of 0.1 or 0.01 or 0.0001. And again, because there'll be a variety of different answers, I'm going to put this in quotation marks. You plug in, for example, 1.01. Now, the key behind this is you're thinking about 1 divided by 0. That's basically what you're looking at in the row of limits. And when I say 1, I really mean a positive number. So positive 1 divided by 0, which means it's positive infinity, or you can just say infinity, or does not exist. So let's break this down. Anytime there's no limit, meaning the limit doesn't equal to some number, then there is no limit, which means the limit does not exist. So that's one answer that you can end with. But another answer is the graph is basically going up. So in the row of limits, this means positive infinity or just infinity. Now, how do we double check this? I would say spend 1 extra minute and graph 1 divided by x. So for example, if I use a different color here, you can see if I take y equal to 1 divided by x, there are 2 asymptotes. One's going to be a vertical asymptote at x equal to 0. The other one's the horizontal asymptote at y equal to 0. The graph, roughly speaking, looks something like that. And now we go back and we double check. So by double check, all I'm doing is I'm reading this question, which is the limit of this function, 1 over x, as x is approaching to 0 from the positive side. And when I look at the positive side, notice the function is going up. Y is going up, which means it's positive infinity or infinity. And because there's no limit, you don't find the numerical value. Therefore, the limit does not exist. I hope this makes sense.